You gotta see this. You guys have to see this. You have to see this.
If you're new here, hi, I'm Johnny. This is little Wyatt, and we're traveling the country together in our 25-year-old van named Vandolph the Gray. So if you enjoy the outdoors, budget travel, camp cooking, and all the things that come along with van life, we hope you'll join us for the adventure.
Good morning from Ouray, Colorado. This is our last morning here, and I'm a little bit sad about that, but we're going somewhere cool today. Today we're going to Ridgway State Park, which is, 20 miles up the road. I saw beautiful pictures on Google Maps. What do you want? That's what I saw. So I have to go see that for myself. So we're gonna go check that out. First, I gotta clean all this up, and this, and then get on the road. Let's go. Well, we have arrived to Ridgway State Park. Beautiful drive in, quick drive, like a half hour. It was great. So, if you know me, you know the rules. First stop is always the visitor center. Let's go check it out. Okay, we have success. I have all kinds of information, literature, like the nerd that I am. Got my sticker and got lots of recommendations for hikes. We've got like 3 hours before I can check into my campsite, which kind of sucks. Plus it's getting a little warm. It's supposed to be 81 today. That's the hottest I've seen in, well, a few weeks. But, hello buddy. Hi, you ready to go exploring? Are you excited? Do you want to go on some hikes? You want to go on some hikes? Got water? Got camera. Let's go on some hikes. Alright, so this one's only a half mile. Quick one. I got a teepee here. So this guy walks into a psychiatrist's office with issues. And he's like, Doc, you gotta help me, And the doctor's like, what's wrong? He's like, Doc, I'm a teepee, I'm a wigwam, I'm a teepee, I'm a wigwam, I'm a teepee, I'm a wigwam. And the doc's like, look, you just gotta relax, you're just too tense. There's your joke of the day. Whoa. Well, okay, we have made it to the outlook. You gotta see this. You guys have to see this. You have to see this. Hang on. Bear with me. That's pretty awesome. I gotta get some pictures of that. It's gonna be hot today. Oh, it's hot already. It's hot already. We've made it to the bottom. Buddy, was that a drop off? Let's go find a better beach. This one sucks. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get your stick. I'm gonna get your stick. Oh boy. Well, the good news is I can check in early to my campsite because it's vacant and the hosts were super nice. There's supposed to be bad news that follows that. I got no bad news. We drove down to the swim area / marina. So we're gonna go check that out, but I'm starving. So I just made a couple of tuna sandwiches on hot dog buns. but I do have some cheesesteaks to make for later. That's cool. They've got a swim beach, some volleyball. What'd you see, buddy? What was it? What was it? The squirrel? Was it a squirrel? So this was the only site they had left that I could reserve. And it's huge. Look at this. It's an RV pull-through site. But look at our backyard. Squirrels. We got squirrels. Wyatt's gonna love those. Chipmunks. Look at all this room to run. All with these giant holes. That's gonna suck. Falling in one of those. Oh, this is not bad. Let's see what little dude thinks. Well, buddy, we'll go explore our new home for the night. Yeah? Good morning from Red River Road. We left Ridgway State Park this morning. It was an okay stay. It was okay. I think that place is more designed for boaters and people with water sports, canoeing, kayaking, paddleboarding, all that kind of stuff. And it's just crowded. It's crowded. And I've just been spending so much money on campgrounds for the last month because I'm in like this beautiful area of Colorado. So I decided to do a little research and find some BLM land. So here we are. Look at this. Look at this. Let's see what Wyatt thinks. We have the Wyatt approval. Let's get some sniffs. And I hear a noise. I hear a noise. I hear a noise. I hear a noise. That's the river. What do you think, buddy? I don't typically stay in a lot of BLM land. I used to. Just so many creeps, so many weirdos. I guess like myself, I don't know. But this one is just so peaceful. All right, this is gonna be 2 days. Let me get some work done. Do you have the river zoomies? Yes, river zoomies in full effect. Ooh, I see it. I see a good one. Ooh, I see a good one, buddy. I see a good stick. I see a good stick. Give me that. Give me that. There's just so much room to roam here. No other campers. Just us and nature. It's the best. And a river. Give me that stick.
This was the part of the trip I didn't realize I needed. No destinations, no big adventures, no camp hosts, and no bathrooms. It became the true definition of a no overhead adventure. We would actually end up spending 3 days here, avoiding the camera, absorbed in nothing but nature, working on these videos, a few bad dance moves, and hanging out with each other. This trip has truly flipped a switch in my brain. For the past 8 years, I've worked like crazy to fulfill this travel itch in my brain. And for the past 5, I've tried to document it here on YouTube. I want nothing in life but to make future Johnny proud. When I'm on that inevitable deathbed, I want to look back proudly on a life that was, not one I wished it was. Until next time, sacrifice for the life you want. Otherwise, the life you want becomes a sacrifice. Be kind, and keep exploring life with an open mind.
I am on my way up. I won't slow